How high should a headboard be above the mattress? If you're thinking of adding a headboard to your bed but are unsure about the right height, you're in the right place. Let's break down the details to help you make the perfect choice. First, the height of a headboard is just as important as its width. The standard height for a headboard varies depending on the size of your bed. For a twin bed, the headboard is usually about 14 inches tall. This height works well because it doesn't overwhelm the room and provides just enough support when you're sitting up. For full and queen-sized beds, the headboard height typically increases to around 28 inches. This height is ideal because it offers good back support without making the room feel crowded. For example, if you have a queen-sized bed, a 28-inch tall headboard will give you the comfort you need while sitting up in bed. When it comes to king and California king beds, the headboard height can be even taller, often around 58 inches. These taller headboards are great for larger rooms with high ceilings and provide excellent back support when you're sitting up. But what if you prefer a different height? Well, there are no strict rules here. You can choose from short, tall, or even adjustable headboards. Short headboards, usually around 10 to 12 inches tall, are perfect for smaller rooms or kids' bedrooms. They keep the room feeling open and don't take up too much wall space. On the other hand, tall headboards, which can be 65 to 70 inches tall, are fantastic for larger rooms. They offer great back support and can add a stylish touch to your bedroom. When deciding on the height, remember to consider the size of your room and your personal comfort. A good rule of thumb is to ensure the headboard is shorter than the length of your bed. This balance makes the room feel more spacious and prevents the headboard from overpowering the space. Another important point is to measure the height from the mattress level, not the ground. You want about 60 to 80 centimeters, or 24 to 32 inches of the headboard above the mattress so you can rest your back against it comfortably without touching the wall. In summary, the height of your headboard should be chosen based on your bed size, room size, and personal preferences. Whether you go for a standard height or something taller or shorter, make sure it aligns with your comfort and aesthetic needs. This way, you'll find the perfect headboard that enhances both the look and functionality of your bedroom.